In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shared Google Drive folder. So this allows you to add multiple people who can view, upload, and download files. So first, you need to go to Google and search for Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, log into your account. And if you're already signed into your Google account, click on Go to Drive. Once you're inside the Drive, click on New in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on New Folder. Name the folder. The folder will now appear in your Google Drive. Inside this folder, you can add or remove files as you normally would. To upload, you can right-click on it and then tap on File Upload. Choose any file that you want to upload. Now that the file is in the Google Drive, right-click on the shared folder. Then tap on Share. Tap on Share again. And from the window that appears, you need to go ahead and type in the email address of the people you want to share the folder with. Set their role as editor, viewer, or commenter. Once done, tap on Send, and this will send an invitation to the other person to join the folder. Now here, I'm logged into that other email account, and you can see that the invitation to join the folder. So click on Open to Join, and now you can interact with the folder, view all the files, and upload your own. If you click on the icon that shows the people, you can see the list of everyone who can view and interact with the folder. So that's how you create a shared folder in Google Drive and invite people to do it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.